Topic is a simplify logarithms. Simplify, or we can say it is as write in a single logarithm. Solutions. The first one is log 2 plus log 5. This is in the form of first law of reversely. So that's why we can write it is now log 2 into 5. So is equals to log 2 5s are 10. The simplify of log 2 plus log 5. Simplify form of log 2 plus log 5 is what? Log 10. The second one, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 is equals to, so it is the second law form, that is in reversely. So we can write it is now log 16 by 2 base 2. So if we cancel it, we get what? Log 8 base 2. Again, this log 8 can write as 2 cube. What is that? 2 cube, right? Base is as it is equals to 3 into log 2 base 2. It is equals to, right, 3 as it is. If this power and base are both are same, that's value as 1. So 3 ones are 3. That is the value of log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Now third one is 3 log 4 base 64 is equals to, so 3 write as it is. For to change power as a base as a power, we write 1 by log 64 and base is what? 4. So is equals to 3 ones are 3 by log, this 64 can write 4 power 4 and base is 4 is equals to 3 by, if we apply the power rule, so the 4 comes sideways, 4 base 4. So is equals to what? 3 by 4, and this power and base both are same, that's why its value is a 1, is equals to what? 3 by 4. Now the question, write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus log 2 as a single logarithm. Solution, given that 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Now for this term, apply the third law, that is the power law. So this will be log 3 square plus, for this also apply the third law, it will be log 5 cube minus, this will be log 2 power 5. So write log as it is. 3 square is what? 9 plus log 5 cube is what? 125 minus log 2 power 5 is what? 32. Now, so first we simplify the two terms. For these two terms we can write or apply the first law, that is log 9 into 125, and write the last one is as it is, log 32. If we multiple these two, we get it what? 9 5s are 45 and 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22 and 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 minus log 32. Now for this we apply second law, then it will be log 1125 by 32. This is the single logarithm of 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Now the question is, find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equals to log x. Given that given that 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equals to what? Log x. So for this I am going to applying third law. Then we can write it as 5 square plus it is also apply the third law, power 1 by 2 minus log 3 is equals to log x. Log the 5 square is what? 25 plus log this power 1 by 2 can write as root square root 9 minus log 3 is equals to log x. Log 25 write as it is plus log root 9 value is 3 minus log 3 is equals to log x. This plus log 3 minus log 3 gets cancelled. The remains log 25 is equals to what? Log x. If cancel both the sides log, then what is remains? X is equals to 25. Therefore, x is what? 25.